Although natural black hair extensions are always a safe choice, color hair extensions are often more exciting for users because color hair extensions will make you look more prominent and special. So, have you ever wondered how K-Hair Factory can produce such a wide range of color hair extensions? I'm Justin, the manager of K-Hair Factory, and today I will show you the process by which K-Hair dyes hair extensions. As you know, K-Hair Factory can produce a wide range of colors, and with each order, we make sure to produce extremely precise hair color. This is because the K-Hair Factory has an extremely diverse collection of color hair, along with an exclusive hair dye formulations. Therefore, the first step in the hair extension dyeing process is choosing the correct color. Step 1. As soon as the customer desired hair color is determined, we will find the right dye formula to mix hair dye correctly. This is a very important step that requires the care and meticulousness of worker. If the worker mixed the color incorrectly, the hair after being dyed will be a different color than the color that the customer wants. Since then, the factory will have to start production again, which will cause time consuming and delay order. Step 2. Apply hair dye to the extension hair steadily. We have to make sure that the right amount of hair dye is applied to all parts of the hair extensions. Hair dyes need to be applied from the root to the end of the hair and carefully combed. Many inexperienced hair extension factories will apply hair dye to the color in the opposite directions, which will cause the hair extension to dry out and break during the hair dyeing process. Step 3. After we have applied color to each section of our hair extensions, we loosely cover them with plastic wrap in order to prevent the color from drying out before it soaks. Allow the color to process at standard room temperature for 20 to 40 minutes. During this process, we need to check a small section of the hair extension every 5 to 10 minutes by gently rubbing the color of the hair extension with a paper towel. Then we reapply the color with a color brush after checking, and one important thing is that the hair color when wet appears darker than it does when dry. Step 4. The next step is rising the color from hair extension using cold water at low pressure, using finger to gently work the excess dye out to remove all the color. Step 5. Comb and allow to dry. After hair extensions are risen completely, we apply conditioner to each section of your hair extensions and comb them gently with wide tooth comb. Finally, allow the extension to air dry through before using or styling them. Although the process of dyeing hair extension with 5 steps seems simple, dyeing hair extension requires care and extreme experience. That's why K-Hair Factory has a very meticulous and experienced staff in the productions of hair extensions. I believe that now you can completely trust the qualities of K-Hair Factory color extensions. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K-Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.